So hey guys, today finally I've got to ride the ZX6R, man. Damn, I'm so stoked about it. I really don't know what to say. I'm really happy right now. So for all you subscribers and those who are new to the channel, this is Anarchy Vlogs for you all. And here's the ZX6R today. I'm getting to ride finally after a long wait. So this is the ZX6R636, the new 2018 model. Well, the predecessor was worth $1 million. Look, I mean, like, that looked really awesome, by the way. And perhaps this is one of the most awaited superbikes of the whole of India, to be honest. Everything started around in the mid 2000s when Doom came out, and the superbike craze was like really at its peak. And then started all this like madness for 1000cc sports bikes and the Hayabusa, the infamous Hayabusa. But the thing is, they were like too much power for the Indian roads. I mean, like, our Indian road conditions and stuff, just too much power, man. So what we finally got to get was illegal imports of the 600cc class throughout India. But this is one thing which everyone were literally waiting for, and so was I, because I literally had dreams of the old ZX6R lying on my walls as posters. Damn, this is a hoot, man. I totally wanted to ride this thing, and it's a dream come true, literally. The way this thing builds power is mad. I mean, like, it doesn't have much torque low in the revs, but it's totally usable. Totally usable. And it's lovely, man. It's just lovely. This thing also comes with standard with a quick shifter for the upshifts. For the engine, this is a 636cc engine. Man, that inline four sound is just amazing, man. Just amazing. Even in second gear, this thing pulls like crazy. Man, those downshifts. This for me is truly a blockbuster. The way this thing builds up power is just out of this world. Way above 7,000 RPM. The way this thing just opens up is just maddening, man. Just maddening. I would definitely not suggest this bike to anyone who is just into riding. Let me tell you that. About this bike, this is the inline 4 636cc mill. Sadly, they have given bulbs even for this, man. This is a 14 lakh mean machine, and still it comes with bulbs. I mean, like, halogen bulbs. Why, man? It's beautiful, fat, big tank out here, and it's got 120 section front tires and 310 mm front disc. Best part is it has KIBS, Kawasaki Intelligent Braking System, which is a big bonus. Just look at the way it looks, man. It's wow. It's wow, man. Literally, it's wow. It's just the most beautiful feeling you can ever get in life. I mean, like, just look at it, man. Some people may feel it as a hit or miss because it looks something like a crossbreed between a Z400, I mean, like the Ninja 400 and the ZX10R. That's what even Power Drift Sagar Sheldekar used to say. Even the instrument cluster is very beautiful. I mean, I really love the analog tachometer and the digital readouts. This is a seat cowl which comes factory, and it's almost 25 to 30,000 just for the extra seat to be got. This comes with a factory fitted quick shifter meant for the upshifts. But it definitely has 3 different riding modes. One is full, one is medium, and is low. Adjustable levers, and the whole thing is a show a big piston fork, which is totally like adjustable to your preload and suspension settings. It's just magnificent, man. The posture is 100% committed, and I wouldn't recommend it riding in the city. It's a beautiful thing, and if you want to know how it sounds, then this is the exhaust sound of a ZX6R. Man, that's mad. That's just beautiful, man. That's how beautiful the howl of an inline 4 sounds like. And if you want to see how it looks like, it's like this. It climbs all the way till 15,000 RPMs, and it's just maddening, man. The power is maddening. It's about 136 bhp along with ram air intake which comes from front wing. I'll just show you in a moment. This is the ram air intake which is there, which forces the air to be inducted into the engine, causing a lot more power increase. Stock is like about 128 bhp something, and the higher you go, the faster it builds up power. This is meant for the track, man. This is meant for the track. I would do injustice to it by riding on these roads, but this is beautiful, man. Just beautiful. It has a huge tank. I will just put up the specs down below here. So comment down below, what do you feel about the bike? It's beautiful, man. So let's go on a ride and see how it feels. Okay, I'm just waiting for the traffic to clear up a bit. Damn, the brakes are just mad powerful, man. I love it. Just a few clicks and it's all there. Just all the braking power that you need, literally. 3, 2, 1, let's go, Anarchy! My goodness, man, my god, the way this thing builds up power. Woohoo! I'm in love with this machine, man. I'm just in love with this. If you are somewhere around 5'10", around like that, you can actually fit into this really well. It's not really that difficult to ride around these things. Man, I wish there was a videographer or someone who could take cinematic shots of me riding this, man. I really would love it. It is really committed. I'm pretty sure this will, this thing's really flickable, man. And this thing is exceptional at masking speeds. If you're on an empty stretch, you will get to know what I'm saying. Just ring the throttle, it brings a smile on my face, even though this thing doesn't have a slip-on or a decat full system exhaust. I only wonder how it would feel after that. Alright guys, as soon as green goes, let's go Anarchy! Alright, that was first gear, man. Fuck. That is something else. Woohoo! And that was just 6,000 RPM. Oh man, such a hoot. I hope the road is a bit empty. I really hope it's empty. I hope it's empty. And yes, it's empty.
And his name is John C.
And there we go. I'm really scared to open the throttle a lot because of people coming around in between. That's something which will scare me up totally, man. I do not want to take that risk, absolutely. Good gloves, aren't they? Comment down in the section below what do you feel about these gloves. Are they good? So yeah, man, that's the Kawasaki Zx6r, and nothing makes me feel like what it is. It's just beautiful. I mean, like, if there's any words about it, it's madness. It's monster energy, monster power, meant for the track. That's all I would say about it. That's how the horn sounds on a Zx6r. Alright, it is heating up a bit right now. but it is much less compared to my Duke 390, bro. Alright, let's try the quick shifter out. Wow man, that's so slick and smooth. About 3000 RPM it works really well, otherwise it's jerky. It shouldn't be used below that anyway. If I would get a chance to own this one day, I would definitely own it. 10.49 ex-showroom and very near to 14 lakhs on road. That's a really expensive bike, to be honest. Damn. Them reactions, bro. So चलिए guys, आज का vlog यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं. I hope you like this vlog. I just don't have words for it, man. Till then, see you next time.